identify your patient and then pull the curtain around the patient for privacy. Expose only the area that needs the dressing change. Take your paper bag or your plastic bag and open it, and you can put a little cup around it. And many times you can take a piece of tape and tape it onto your sand. In order to take off the old dressing, use a pair of unsterile gloves. Loosen your tape by pulling it towards the wound. And then if possible, you can take off all of the dressings at one time, lifting it away from the patient so that they don't see what is on your dressing. Observe the dressing for the type of drainage, the amount, the color, and the odor. Using universal precautions, take off your gloves. Get your tape ready for the new dressing. You can put a little tab on your tape by turning it over, and this keeps you from having to scrape the skin to get the tape off the next time you change the dressing. Or if your dressing is going to be changed frequently, you can use the Montgomery straps, and I'll show you how to use those too. You want to take your betadine swabs and clean your wound. In some cases, there may be more than one swab in a pack. Starting at the top of the incision, go down the incision first, right over the incision. Then the side farthest away from you. And then the side closest to you. You should have about an inch around the wound where it's clean. Put on your, open your dressings first, and let them lay in the open pack. The open pack becomes your sterile field. And you can put on your gloves. handling the top side of the dressing. Put it over the wound. And then you can take your tape and put it over the dressing. Now for Montgomery straps, they will work like this. We'll have one strap that goes on this side of the wound, and one strap that goes on this side of the wound, and then they will tie over the dressing as such to keep it in place. When you're finished, you take off your gloves using universal precautions. And then everything would get discarded inside your bag. And then this bag gets thrown into the red liner trash can in